guys, welcome back to my channel. Now festival season is up and so is the festival makeup. I have created a glam makeup which is young, which is festive, which is very appropriate for the upcoming occasions. And if you want to know how to create this makeup look, then let's get started. So I'm gonna start my base with the Nivea moisturizer. This is gonna hydrate our skin, act as a nice primer as well. And now I'm gonna use a strobing cream just to add that little glow on the face. And once that is done, I'm gonna use these two foundations which are pretty full coverage. The concoction works really well for me, so I'm gonna blend it all over my face and neck with a pack brush. And for the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this pomade by Freedom, and the reason I'm using this because it lasts longer. So we are using an angled brush to apply it and also the spoolie at the end to blend it into my brows. Now it's crucial to apply a concealer on your eyelids to conceal the pigmentation and also to make your shadows pop, and also very important to set it with a powder. Now the first shadow I'm going to use is Suede. This is a gray shadow and I'm using it as a transition. And now I'm going to use Doll Face, which is a beautiful pink shadow. This is gonna go slightly above the transition just to create that natural gradient. It looks very flattering. Any pink color, any bright color on the crease works really well, so you should definitely add it to your eyeshadow routine. I'm using Cocoa, which is a brown shadow. Now browns are extremely versatile. They work well for a natural makeup and even for a glam makeup. Here I'm using it to create a nice base for the darker shadow that I'm going to be applying just now, and which is Black Truffle, this one, yes, and I'm going to apply it with a smaller brush. Now this one goes on the outer V and we're going to take it little by little and then blend it. Now this really makes your eye look bigger, and we can never go wrong with a black eyeshadow, isn't it? And now I'm gonna use this beautiful purple shadow. I have a thing for purple colors, and this one, look at the color guys. I think it's beautiful and of course very pigmented, very festive, and you can never go wrong with purple. And now I'm gonna use this light pink color as an inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna take it in the very first 1/3 of the inner corner, and then I'm just gonna retouch the black shadow once again. And now I'm using Bubbly, which is a highlight color. I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone and also the inner corner of the eye, just a little spot over there. Now we're doing the eyeliner, and I'm doing eyeliner after quite a long time. I'm going to use this eyeliner by Color Bar, and it sets matte. That is why I really like it. So I'm using little strokes, and definitely you want to use little strokes whenever you're doing your eyeliner. And also I'm creating a wing. Let me know in the comments if you want an in-depth eyeliner tutorial. I would love to do that for you guys. And once the eyeliner is done, I'm going to use this mascara, which is the Volume Million Lashes, and also I'm going to use a concealer to set in the under eyes. Now it is glam, we're going to use the concealer, but little goes a long way because it's so pigmented. And now I'm going to set it with this powder which looks white, but it is actually a no color powder. So I'm just gonna set in my under eyes, little bit around the mouth, and we are done. Rest of the base I'm gonna keep it quite glowy. So I'm going to use this Kajal, and this time I'm going to apply it on my lash line. I'm going to apply it like this, and then I'm going to smudge it right away with my finger. You can use your brushes or you can just smudge it with your fingers. The warmth of your fingers will really melt in the product, and this one needs to be smudged quickly because this Kajal really sets very quick. It's time to use Doll Face again because I can't get enough of this shadow, so I'm going to use it on the lower lash line, and look at that little effect that we are getting over there. So it's a smart way of using color on your under eyes as well, and it's not looking too stark, but it's going to create a nice blend. And now it's time for the contour. So just the same routine with the contour guys, that I'm going to sculpt my cheeks and also my jaw, just that I use a dark color for my jawline. And once this is done, I'm going to use a blush color now to complement the shade of my outfit. I'm gonna use these two colors together, and once this is done, it's finally time for the highlighter, and this I'm going to apply on the highest points of my cheeks and also on my cupid's bow, the bridge of the nose. And now for the lips, I'm using this neutral color, and I've already used it quite a bit, so you can see how much I love it. And once this base is created, I'm gonna use Soza, which is an orangey color, so it creates a nice base with the color that I've already used, and this really complements my outfit. And I'm also putting a bindi, just ensuring that it's on the center of my eyebrows, and this is the look complete. So that's it guys, I really hope you found this video informative. You can try something like this for the upcoming festive season, and if you like this video then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.